Good morning, I'm Roger Woodruff with Guarantee here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're looking at a Thor A.C.E. This is a 2015. This is a one-owner coach. It's got a lot of really great features on it. Keyless entry. It's got the little doggy door window here so Puppy can sit there and kind of see what's going on without having to climb up on the dash. It's got the side cameras built right into the mirror. This is going to have the push button electric awning. Lots of storage throughout. Here's our propane tank. It's got a good sized propane tank. Outside entertainment package, which is directly underneath the awning, so it's going to be able to stay clean and dry. Keep the sun off it while you're watching a movie out. One of our little storage compartments here goes all the way through and out the other side along the top there. Another storage compartment. And even a bigger one here. It's got the 5,000 pound tow hitch. It's already wired up. Love the rear fuel fill. You don't have to pick a side. You just pull up, fill it up. This is a 30 amp coach with a removable cord, so you can disconnect it and stow it away. Our plumbing center. They've added a black tank washout system so you can get rid of any residual contamination in the tank. This is the other side of one of those storage compartments. This unit has an Awning 4,000 watt micro quiet generator. It's on the Ford Triton V10 package. Captain's chairs spin around so you can put them in part of your living room here. This the previous customers also added a sound bar system to the TV to give you that robust sound. Up front, we've got the Ford platform again. We've got automatic hydraulic leveling. We've got heated electric mirrors. It has the tow package for the brakes for the tow car. Love that little center TV. This sofa was not factory. They've upgraded it. It is an electric sofa with heat, and it's got the footrest built right into it, so you're sitting right across from the TV for a very comfortable package. Nice kitchen, a lot of counter space. Love the corners on the booth dinette. They curl around, make it very comfortable. Good sized refrigerator. This is going to have the microwave and the oven. Here's our command center. This door also makes a privacy for the bedroom. Previous owners also added a sleep number bed, and all of the fans have been upgraded to remote control ceiling fans and LED lights. This is a cushion to make the booth dinette into another bed, but it's a nice deep closet here too. There's one there and another one over here. So it's a 30-foot coach, but it still has a lot of storage inside and out. Previous customers did not have a TV in the bedroom, but it is all wired for it. A lot of bank of drawers there. Thank you for visiting with us. I'm Roger Woodruff with Guarantee, and this is a 30-foot Thor A.C.E. 2015. Thank you.